Hello everyone, CAT 2024 slot 1 is over. This time difficulty level has decreased over the last few years. If I talk about VA, there were 24 questions as usual. There were 4 RCs. Out of 4 RCs, 2 were very easy, so doable. Like there was one based on economy, another based on that some Britishers and Australians and something like that. So 2 cases of RC, 2 sets of RCs were doable. Out of 8 questions of EU, 3 were of sentence completion, 3 were of summary, and 2 were of odd one out. There was no question of parajumble. This is the change in the pattern of VA, RC and EU. So in VA section there was no parajumble. Now if I talk about DILR, there were total 22 questions. This is a major change as compared to the last 3-4 years. In last 3-4 years there used to be 20 questions, but this time there were 22 questions, and in 22 questions there were 5 sets given. Out of these 5 sets, 3 were easily doable. There was one question in which there were 6 people rated, giving stars to 4 people, and direct answers were given, multiple of 5 and 45 total, and everything was given directly. Second question of DLR which was doable was that of one DI set. That DI set has share market price, high, low, and ABCDFG 7 companies were given. High, low, opening and closing were given, and the questions were very easy. And there was another set of games and tournament. The information, the question which were asked, the information was directly given in the question, in the information. The questions were asked on the direct information based. So that increases the overall cutoff of DILR as well as VA. If I talk about QA, in QA as usual there were 8 to 9 questions of out of 22 questions there were around 10 questions of arithmetic, around 5 to 6 questions of algebra, one logarithm question was there, AP-GP question was there, then there were 2 questions of geometry, in circle, the radius of in circle in a triangle, then there was there was a sphere, and in the sphere there is a cuboid given. So if I talk about the question at the level of difficulty, it was easier. So this year the first slot CAT was easier, and therefore it is expected that the cutoff is going to increase.